front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then to access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to. And click at the top right corner to access bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by tapping on one of those options. When you're finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!